Well, the Reserve Bank of India has come in for plenty of criticism over the last few weeks on its handling of the note ban, and now the bank is also refusing to answer RTI queries on various questions, from just how the decision was taken to who was consulted to how much currency has been distributed to banks.
While the common man stood in serpentine queues outside banks and ATMs for days after the note ban, the one question that everyone asked: were banks prepared for the demonetization drive? But now even an RTI query asking for this information has been denied an explanation. RTI activist Anil Galgali filed an RTI seeking information on the distribution of currency to banks between November 9th and 19th. But the RBI has denied him this information.
आरबीआई ने किन बैंकों को कितने पैसे दिए ये जानकारी हमने आरटीआई से मांगी थी। आरबीआई ने जानकारी देने से इनकार किया। आरबीआई का कहना था कि अगर ये जानकारी सार्वजनिक होती है तो व्यक्ति के जीवित को खतरा हो सकता है। उसके अलावा विधि प्रवर्तन और विश्वास में दी गई जानकारी का स्रोत की पहचान होगी। लेकिन जिस तरह से आरबीआई ने जानकारी छुपाने का काम किया है, इसके खिलाफ हमने फर्स्ट अपील दायर की है ताकि ये सूचना सार्वजनिक हो।
This isn't the only information the RBI isn't willing to share. The Reserve Bank of India has also refused to release information on whether the Finance Minister and the Chief Economic Advisor were consulted before banning the 500 and 1000 rupee notes. But the RBI has said the query is in the nature of seeking opinion from CPIO, which is not defined as information as per Section 2F of the RTI Act. But when asked by PTI, former Information Commissioner Shailesh Gandhi questioned, how can it be called seeking opinion? Whether someone was consulted or not is a matter of record. Had the question been that should views be taken, then it would mean taking opinion. In Mumbai with Anurag Dwari, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.